What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget, and as you know, I picked up the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and before I do anything, I always want to protect my device, and that's where Dbrand comes into play. And if you're looking at my Pixel Fold, you're looking like, what the hell color is that? Well, this isn't a color, this is actual skin from Dbrand, and it has this nice, very 3D like texture on the back. This is their triple white skin, and you can go ahead and get their halo white skin as well if you like that halo kind of reflective look. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at their Prism 2.0, which is a screen protector for the front of the phone, and we're going to take a look at their grip case, which I think is by far one of the best protected cases out there for any device. Whether you have a Pixel, iPhone, or Samsung, their grip case is absolutely fantastic on every device, and their ghost case too. I'm starting to like that one. So let's go ahead and grab the Prism 2.0, and this is what you're going to get. You're going to get actually two of them, and this is a simple installation tray. You're going to get the cleaning kit, and on the bottom you're going to get another one. So you do get a 2-pack, which I absolutely love. And we're going to grab the device here real quick. Squeegee, Dbrand microfiber cloth, and some wet naps. We only need one today. Alcohol wipes. Let's go ahead and wipe it down. So what you want to do is you're going to take the tray here, you're going to place it on top like so. Now this is a very simple installation. Basically you swipe down after, but you're just going to go ahead and pull this here, and that's going to remove any dust or anything, and then you're going to slide down, and then you're going to let the screen protector adhere. Did I not go all the way? Oh yeah, I did go. I'm like, why isn't this even, was that giant camera module on the back there? So then what you want to do is pull this off, and voila. Now you see those little moisture bubbles? That's okay, because you do got a squeegee, and the squeegee is going to go ahead and remove these bad boys out. And if you have a little bit left over, don't worry about it, because they'll go away as soon as it dries up. It'll go away, so I wouldn't worry too much about it. But you can take the squeegee and kind of work them out if you like. I'm going to try to do it as much as possible and then move on with the video. Bam, look at that. So there you have it, looking absolutely fantastic, very nice and smooth. I do see a border left around the screen protector, probably for cases. I want to see if it's going to work with their own case, but if not, no worries. It looks absolutely fantastic. It'll probably work with other cases as well. Let's move on to their grip case. Now their grip case is by far some of the best protected cases I've seen. And the good thing about the grip case is that you can go ahead and match and skin out your case to whatever you're liking. Like I said, this one right here, it is their triple white, and it's white as hell, as you can see, but it does have this texture, kind of 3D like kind of like map on the back. And this one, it pretty much looks like this one, but this one's all white and has a little bit of textured. And this is their halo white right there. If you like this more reflective one, you can put it on the case. I typically do like rocking the case. Here is the case itself, and then you got this to clean, to attach the skins on the case. But let's take a quick look at the case. Very nice. You got grip branding there. This is where you apply the skin. Very nice grippy edges, like the grippiest. That's why it's called the Dbrand Grip Case. You do have hinge protection, and you do have that legendary kickstand there, and it holds in place magnetically. Very nice. It is going to add some width to your phone, so just keep that in mind, that when you hold the phone in hand, it is going to seem a little bit wider than usual because of the hinge protection from the grip case. But let's go ahead and take this and place it in the case. Snaps in place very nice. And is this gonna work? Oh, perfect. Now their screen protector is going to work just fine with their case, and look at that protection. Very nice, good protection. Absolutely love this. The buttons are exposed, so you have no issue accessing your fingerprint, power button, and volume rocker. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise. No issue with the cutouts there. Plenty of room in case you're wanting to plug this bad boy in and charge it with a third-party charging cable. Usually they're a little thicker than usual. You do have plenty of room there for it to work. The cutouts on top, actually fantastic. Now this is MagSafe compatible, so it does have a MagSafe ring on the back, so it should work. Yep, as you can see, just picked it up and it works just fine. And that's a very strong magnet with all your MagSafe accessories, and it's going to wirelessly charge through the case. But look at this bad boy. Let's open this up. Bam, opens up. Very nice grip protection all around. You do have the kickstand, so you can rock it like this if you like, or if you want to put it on the side, you can rock it on the side. This is the only kickstand that I know that works both orientations, in landscape and in portrait. It works just fine. And then when you're not using it, put it back and then close this bad boy up. Very nice looking case. Absolutely love this. Like I said, it feels a little wider in hand, but it's okay. It does add a little bit of bulk to your Pixel 10 Pro Fold, but nothing that you can't handle. The device is already a heavy device, so you're basically adding ounces to the actual weight of the device because it feels heavy as it is already. So you do have protection there on the back, protecting that camera lens there. You got protection in the front, as you can see, the lip protection there, protecting the front cover. If you go ahead and lay it on the face down, you're not going to scratch that up. And if you open it, you do have very minimal protection here on the inner display, because if you did have protection, it wouldn't close correctly. But there you have it, guys. That is the grip case for the Pixel 9, not the 9, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This looks very similar to the 9. You can drip this out any way you want. There's plenty of skins available on their website. And here you have a look at the Halo White skin on the grip case, looking absolutely fantastic. And I believe these accessories will be available at Best Buy. So if you don't want to go ahead and order online, just head down to your local Best Buy and pick up a Dbrand screen protector and the grip case. But if you want to go ahead and help out the channel, links to the grip and the Prism 2.0 and the skins will be in the description of the video, and they will be a Best Buy affiliated link. So if you click on that, it's going to help out the channel at no extra cost to you. If you have any questions regarding the Prism 2.0 or the Dbrand Grip Case, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.